Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into a material that's set to change the game in 2024. It's called MXene. You might not have heard of it yet, but trust me, you're going to want to know all about it. So what are MXenes? They're a new class of advanced materials known for their electrical conductivity, flexibility, and strength. Think of them as the Swiss Army knife of materials science. Originally, MXenes were mainly explored for battery technology, but their potential goes way beyond that. Let's take a look at 5 groundbreaking applications that are transforming our daily lives. First up, MXene-based smart textiles. Imagine your clothes doing more than just keeping you warm. With MXenes, we're talking real-time health monitoring. Your shirt could track your heart rate, temperature, and even how much you've moved throughout the day. These textiles can also sense environmental conditions like humidity and air quality. And get this, they can adapt to temperature changes. Need to warm up on a chilly day or cool down when it's hot? Your clothes have got you covered. This tech is making waves in healthcare, sportswear, and even fashion. Next, let's talk about flexible displays. MXenes are paving the way for displays that are not just flexible but also durable and energy efficient. Imagine rolling up your smartwatch or having AR glasses with screens that bend and flex without breaking. These displays consume less power, meaning longer battery life for your gadgets. It's a total game changer for wearable tech and consumer electronics. Now, onto MXene-based smart films for de-icing. These aren't just for your car windshield. We're talking critical infrastructure like 5G antennas, solar panels, and even spacecraft. These films can de-ice surfaces in under 90 seconds, improving safety and performance. No more ice buildup, just efficient and reliable operations even in the harshest conditions. Fourth on the list is MXene-infused concrete. This isn't your ordinary concrete. By integrating MXenes, we get stronger, more durable construction materials. Think of highways, bridges, and buildings that last longer and require less maintenance. It's a huge leap forward for infrastructure, promising increased longevity and resilience. Last but definitely not least, MXenes in quantum computing. Quantum computers are the future, and MXenes are helping make them a reality. They're contributing to the development of more stable and efficient qubits, which are crucial for quantum computing. This could lead to breakthroughs in cryptography, material science, and solving complex problems faster than ever before, so there you have it. MXenes are more than just a scientific curiosity, they're transforming our world in tangible ways. From smart textiles to quantum computing, these materials are set to revolutionize industries and enhance our daily lives. The future is bright, and MXenes are lighting the way. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest tech trends, make sure to hit that subscribe button. See you next time.